Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Kroger and we are about to do an online pickup order, but we're in store first because I just want to show you guys a few things. But I am so excited about the deal that we're going to do today. We are going to get stocked up on some paper towels and you don't even have to get out of the car to do this deal. Now, I saw everybody doing the clearance deal on the holiday bounty, but my store did not have any of that, and it was okay because the deal that I did on the brownie came out much better for me anyway. Cannot wait to show you that. But if you do have the holidays printed bounty at your store, definitely do a price check on that because that is ringing out 75% off. So first, let's talk about the deal that we're going to do. This deal is save an extra $10 when you pick up 2 participating household products. There's a lot of different stuff that's included in this sale. We got Persil that's included and a really good deal. I'll tell you about that deal in just a second. Tide is included. There's a lot of good stuff. But the brownie is what I was most interested in because I need to stock up on brownie paper towels. So this deal is save an extra $10 off when you buy 2. So with this, the $28.99 packs are on sale for $19.99. You could pick up those. But what I was most interested in is these $18.99 packs that are on sale for $13.99. These are also included on this promotion, and with this $13.99 pricing, this is a really good deal. So what I decided to do is actually pick up 4 of them. I will show you why I picked up 4 of them at $13.99, but since we're buying 4, we're actually going to save $20 instead of $10 because this deal does compound. Now, as I mentioned, the Persil detergent is also included on this deal. The way that this deal is working is if you pick up 4 of the Persil detergents, they're coming out to about $5 a piece if you purchase them the way that I'm going to show you how to purchase them online using the coupons that we're going to be using online. So $5 a piece, and these are the 100-ounce bottles of Persil, so that's a really good deal. While I'm visiting different Kroger stores today, I'm also scooping up these Kleenex hand towels. I absolutely love these. All of the ones with holiday prints on them, the ones like with these trees or snowflakes, they're not tagged in my store, but they're actually ringing out for just 87 cents, which is an amazing price on these. So we're definitely going to grab some of these today. So I'm going to check out, and all I'm picking up is the Kleenex hand towels, and then I'm going to move on to the next store to pick up my online order. But let's review what this brownie deal is. We're going to pick them up online as a pickup order because we are going to be doing this deal where you can save up to $25 on your first pickup or delivery order. If you have already used these pickup or delivery coupons, you will need to use a different account. So use your mom's account, do whatever you need to do to use a different account that has these coupons on there. If you're not already a Kroger customer, if you sign up for an account today, these coupons will instantly be on your account. So you will have a $15 off of a $75 purchase and a $10 off of a $75 purchase. We can use both of those at the same time and get $25 off. So with my online order, my order was very simple. All I did was add 4 of these brownie paper towels that I have up on the screen for $13.99. Now I know you're thinking, oh my goodness, that $13.99 times 4 is only going to equal up to $55.96. I know, but that $75 purchase applies to the pre-sale price total. So it's actually giving you credit for the $18.99 price. And $18.99 times 4 is $75.96. So when you add those 4 in, the $10 will apply and the $15 coupon will apply. You will not see all of the coupons and the discounts applying until you actually get to the checkout screen. So it doesn't happen until all the way till the end. But once you do, you will see that the $15 is coming off, the $10 is coming off, and you're also saving $10 twice for the buy 2 save 10 sale. After all of that applies, along with the $1 brownie digital coupon, you want to clip that. My subtotal came up to $9.96 plus tax. With taxes, my grand total was just $10.84 for 4 of those big pack of paper towels. And keep in mind, one of them, just one of them, the full price is $18.99. Now, with this deal, you want to be careful on if your store does substitutions. I allowed substitutions in my order and it worked out for me at one store, but at another store, it almost did not work out. So if your store substitutes your 8 equals 16 for the 8 equal 24, it's actually a blessing because those 24 packs are huge and it usually is going to be the same price. And it's also included in the buy 2 get 10. So you're going to come up just like I did. 2 of mine were substituted for that bigger pack. Worked out so good because I ended up paying $2.49 for these huge 24 packs that are normally $28.99. But if your store tries to substitute for one of these 4 equal 8 rolls that are $9.99 instead and not included in the buy 2 get 10, you want to cancel that order and let them know that you do not want it, because that is going to mess your order up and you're going to end up paying more and getting less. So do watch out for that. And if you're going to do the Persil instead of the Brawny, do keep in mind that the deals are either or, because you're only going to save the $25 one time. So you need to decide on your account, do you want to get Brawny or do you want to get Persil? So I used an Ibotta gift card for my payments. I paid the $10, made them like $2.49 each. And I did this deal a total of 3 times at 3 different stores. And it worked out beautifully. I wanted to make sure that it worked and everything was okay. My charges were fine, all of that. It was so good. So I went on ahead and rinsed and repeated that. And I got stocked all the way up on paper towels. And funny story, when I got to the final store, I was actually early, so my pickup time wasn't until like 7 p.m. and I was there at 6:30. So I needed to use the restroom, so I ran in there anyway. And then I was going down the Brawny aisle because I wanted to get some footage for this video. And while I was there, the guy was actually pulling my order. And this was a young guy, a teenager for sure, and he was actually picking up the 4 packs instead of these 8 equals 16 packs. And I was like, are you doing pickup orders? And he was like, yeah. And then I was like, you're pulling my order. And he was like, what's your name? And I told him my name. And he was like, oh yeah, this is you. And he was like, I don't have the packs that you ordered. And I'm like, yeah, you do. I'm looking at them right here. And he's like, oh, those are it? And I'm like, yeah, he was literally about to give me those 4 rolls and tell me that he did not have the 8 equals 16. And they were right there. So if you're wondering why I have these in a cart, even though I picked up all of my orders online, that is because I loaded this cart up myself at the last store and helped him push it right on over there to the pickup counter to ensure that I got the right one. And I'm so glad that I caught him in time before he messed up my order. So yeah, a little funny story there, but let me know if you guys have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here as a part of my coupon family. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video. Here is my complete haul for tonight. We did so good, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.